You are going to love 2015 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.